Alright everybody, so I'm going to do a quick video about the oil filter adapter housing on a 4-liter. This is like the same for a single overhead cam. There are 3 O-rings on this, 2 on the stock, one there, one there. I have some lubrication on them. And then there's one on the actual L housing that goes on. I've run into an oil leak in the past where this O-ring was flat and leaking from like here down into the bell housing and making it seem like it's a rear main seal. That's what happened on my Explorer, and it drove me nuts until I crashed it. But trying to keep this from leaking, there is some protrusion on that seal. But what I'm going to be doing is, now these O-rings are replacement O-rings that I got out of my full overhaul like gasket kit, and I'm using some of this high flex gasket maker on top of this O-ring just to make sure it don't leak, because I really don't want this to leak. This is a pain in the butt to get to in the vehicle. I actually don't even know what the torque is for this nut, but I am Loctiting it as well. This will definitely not leak. And then some Loctite. Not a lot. Just a dab. That's good. Just a dab. Blue goop on that. The rings are lubricated. That's tight. And this is what a 10mm Allen. So that should seal quite nicely. I've had issues in the past of this not sealing. So it's mainly this outer one. The 2 O-rings on the stock are fine, but that's good and tight. We'll leave it there. I put some of this blue goop on that O-ring. It shouldn't leak and it shouldn't be a problem. But there's just a small video of putting the adapter housing on the 4-liter. Be the same as a single overhead cam. So, see you next time. Subscribe for more of my hot garbage.